I'm back again. I hope you're doing well. Here with another example of engulfing system. I'm going to just go through this checklist to clear up some confusions again. Now, our checklist has just like four major steps. So, which is direction. Direction has two stages: direction and direction confirmation. CMP, which stands for current market price. Setup, which has also stages: setup and setup confirmation. Uh, and entry, again, it has two stages: entry confirmation and entry itself. So, two, one, two, two. So all over, we have seven steps. So we're gonna go with direction, which is direction time frame. This is not D for day. So today we're gonna start with the weekly time frame. Later we're gonna go to daily. Later 4 hour and 1 hour and even M15. Now starting with direction time frame. So first thing is that we have to just see which one of the SND and engulfing zones we have in front of the actually price. So this is our engulfing sales zone in front of the price, as you see that. Now this is our what? This is our direction. So in the checklist, now we're gonna just confirm our direction, which is step two. We go one time frame below the direction time frame. This one is weekly, so our time frame that is going to confirm this direction is going to be daily. So now in the daily time frame, we have this one. Okay, now in the daily time frame, we're going to look for what? Engulf and engulfing fail. So as you see here, we have some zones here. This one is engulfing, which is standing and it is holding the price. So engulfing sell, which is on the daily time frame, and also another one engulfing buy, which is failed. As you see here, they're overlapping here. So now this is the direction. So our direction is confirmed here, right? Then our victory direction is confirmed by daily engulfing buy and sell overlapping. Now, the second step is that, third step is that current market price, which is usually one time frame below direction time frame. But if you cannot find it, we can go to the lower time frame. The point is that we want to have a current market price that we want to analyze, and we have a framework to work around that. We want to just have some setups inside current market price. So here, as you see, we don't have current market price. Why? Current market price should happen on the right side of the price, which is a live price right here. Okay, we have here, these are confirmation of the direction of the higher time frame, but the right side is our current market price. So as you see here, we have two engulfing buy and engulfing sell zones, right? So and here we're looking for something which is so adjacent and next to this time the price that we have. So we are in a daily time frame. We don't have anything around this price, so which is obvious. Let's go to the 4 hour time frame. I'm going to enlarge in the chart. You can see in 4 hour time frame. So let's see. In 4 hour time frame, we have one in front of the price. We have uh, engulfing sell, which is holding the price down here. It was tested once. And another one is engulfing buy, which is failed. So it means this is our current market price also is aligning with our direction. So this one, we cannot see it in the lower time frame. If we see it, this dot one is engulfing buy, which is fail, which means that it is the tendency is for sell. So this is confirmed as well, right? Now, our other one after setup, we're going to have the, sorry, market price, we're going to have the setup zones inside the current market price, where one time frame below current market price, which is H1, because our current market price happened in 4H, H4. Let's go to H1. So we're going to look for setup zones in a current market price, and also we're going to validate that setup maybe one time frame below, or even in that time frame sometimes, right? So now let's go to 1 hour time frame here. So in 1 hour time frame, let me enlarge in the chart so you can see that. Now, here, what we're looking for, first of all, setup zone, right? So you can see that we have a fake or sweep of the this high, and also we also have this engulfing buy which has failed. If I zoom in, you'll see it clearly. Look, now here we have the sweep, as you see it. So there was some liquidity there. So in the overlapping area of this current market price, after sweeping it, now we have this engulfing buy which has failed. Okay, this is our setup zone. Okay, now for that setup zone. Okay, so our setup zone inside CMP, which is engulfing buy failed, and now do we have any hidden engulfing inside that? Usually, any engulfing has QM inside that or hidden engulfing inside that one. So let's go. We have to validate this setup using one time frame below, which is M15. So let's go there. Now here, as you see, here we have a hidden engulfing zone, exactly like here. So in other words, we can say it is QM zone. Okay. So now, in that case, we have confirmation of our entry later on after this one. Let me, by the way, show you the trend line breakout in, if you go to H1, I want to just confirm that here in H1, uh, this trend line breaks down. So if you're not in favor of trend line, that's fine. So actually trend line should have been from here. Okay. Now, because based on the line chart, we have this trend line break and it is broken. Now, this is first confirmation. Then we have, let's go to the M15. Even there, you can see this trend line break, but in the lower time frame, if you can just look at it like this one here with blue line, which is different from this is H1, this is M15. So now that we have this break at the trend line, so we need other confirmations to just get inside the trade. So we have confirmation for entry, right? Now, this sweep happened here. Now, confirmation for entry, we have this hidden zone or QM zone for sell. Now, we're going to wait for the retest of this one. And later, after the confirmation of entry, which was sweep and the engulfing sell, and also we have the setup for entry. So later, we're going to have entry and exit point. So our entry will be here, and our exit will be as far as, because it's M15, we're going to just target monitor H1. So this swing is the best way if it holds. So we're going to exit, or we're going to just take some 70% profit, or we're going to trail it. But if it doesn't hold, so it will just take us out by trailing, or we're going to see the momentum. Momentum is just monitored by these engulfings as well. So let's go and have a look at that one. What happens there if I just short here like that? Our stop is in a safe position. So where the stop is behind the zone, and also behind this overlapping zones of this H4 zones, CMP. So if it hits us out, that's fine. If it doesn't, let's see what we will have. So, okay, I'm going to play it one by one. Okay, now we're tagged in to the price. Let's see what will happen. We will be out or yes. Now, just right away, we are out. Okay. So what about if we were putting our stop there? Now we're out. The first stop, the first trade is a stop. Now, what about the second one? Let's take the trade from here and from the close of the market, and the stop is behind this zone. Okay. Or even a little higher to be safer. Let's see if we are going to have the second stop or we're going to win this trade. So right away, it went down. Again, it went down. So after breaking this one, I'm going to go to first, setup time frame. Okay. It's going down, so it's broken. Now I'm changing my time frame here. Okay, let's see if it's going to hold or not. So we see some reaction over there. Now this part is important. Now so far, if we wanted to trail our stop and we wanted to just keep it, we got to go with this one here. Yeah, our stop would be in this zone. If we just trace back, our stop will be somewhere around here, our trading stop. Let's make it red. So, and in the lower time frame, if we want to trade with the lower time frame, so let me make it straight. So we could put our stop here. No, sorry, here, based on the lower time frame. And if we want to trail our stop based on higher time frame, it would be as close as this one. So now, so far, if we were just trading with H1, our TP would be 3.24. With M15, it would be 534. And if you were exiting right now, it would be 8.19. And we have some tensions here. I don't think it could pass easily because we're against the higher time frame zone. So I don't know, maybe it's going to tag us out and go inside. So now let's move on. And so here our stop would be there, right here, or it would sweep here and come back, and you could exit here right now like this. Yeah, like 10ish. Let's see what happens. Yeah. So if we were trailing, we would have this one as our stop, and our TP would be 6.24. If we were getting out using this candles close 10, we don't know if we would take it or not. And if we were trailing based on higher time frame low, yeah, high and low. So it means that our stop would be somewhere around here. So we would get out it would be, sorry, it would be around here. So it would take us out with 415. Let's see if it tags us out. Yes, it would tag us out at 415. I hope it was helpful. So, and this was the checklist. So entry confirmation happened. Later, enter confirmation by sweeping, and later we entered on M15 this time using QM and hidden zone. The first one was stop because we were greedy, and the second one was TP. Okay, now have fun, stay tuned.